If this is your first time here, know that we're about to step into a world that very few people truly know from the inside. The real world of building petrochemical and refinery plants. On this channel, I'll walk you through every step of construction and execution in detail, showing you what really happens out there in the field. From the very first stages, like sandblasting pipes and simple welding jobs, to more complex phases such as equipment installation, hydro testing, and plant pre-commissioning. My goal is to show you everything as it truly is, without exaggeration, without simulation, so you can see what actually takes place inside a plant under construction. In the first few videos of this series, we'll take to the skies with a drone to get a clear view of the layout and structure of different process units. And then, gradually, we'll come down to the ground, where I'll walk through real project sites, camera in hand, explaining each operation up close and in detail. Hi everyone, I'm Alex, and welcome to the PetroPlant YouTube channel. In today's flight, we'll once again visit the C2 recovery unit. From above, we'll take a look at the steel structures, the main process equipment, and the piping connecting them together. Along the way, I'll also show you 3D models of each section, so you can better visualize where every item sits in the actual plant design. If you enjoy this type of educational content, please don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support truly helps me create more real-world project videos for you. And in the comments, let me know, which part of the petrochemical industry would you like to see next? I'll make sure to give it priority in the upcoming videos. Thanks for staying with me through the video. As I mentioned earlier, we'll first explore 4 or 5 plants from above, and then we'll move right into the heart of the sites themselves. This is the second video in that series. If you haven't watched the first one yet, you can find the link below in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so YouTube can notify you as soon as the next video is released. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And until then, take care.